Hey everybody, welcome back and how's it going on? Today I will be teaching you how to change voice character in ElevenLabs. So if you are tired of using same voice again and again, I'm going to be showing you how you can get some fresh voices. So for that you need to head over to your voices section, and uh, from here you need to head over to my voices and clear up all of the list. If you're not using these audio, let's just say click on these three dots and click on delete voices. You can do it for all if you do not need them, and then head over to this explore section. Over here you can simply dive into wide range of voices from different regions, different accents, different voices. And let's just say you want to change a character, and you can see if you head over to your collection or maybe default voices, these are some of your default voices which are usually free. These are non-professional ones, so I don't recommend using these. You can head over to explore and use the voices with these little check marks, so you can add new audios in here. You can apply some filters if you need. Let's just say a voice which is high quality, it is male, young, and also you can say we have a language which we can select English from here. You can go with any language and accent as well, American, and apply filters. So we are going to be getting some good results. Yeah, you can go with these audios, add them, and then just hold on a bit until it adds. By the way, you can get 50% off onto subscription plans of ElevenLabs, so that is going to be really fun to try. Simply head over to the link in the description. Now you can head over to text to speech and use that professionally added audio. Make sure to head over to all saves audio. You can see we have Aaron over here, and professional audio is also available. So that's how easy it is to get voice character or change your voice character inside ElevenLabs.